To evaluate the potential of biomaterials as alternatives for tissue engineering and regenerative medicine, these need to prove their efficacy and safety at different levels. Are in vitro models enough for this purpose? And what about in vivo models, using small rodents? Would it be appropriate to go directly from this level of complexity to the evaluation of new or modified biomaterials on humans? Is one type of model better than the other? It is not always easy or obvious to determine where to start, and to make this choice a little bit harder, there are more than these two types of models available. Moreover, the increasing tendency for the implementation of miniaturized and automated devices to be used as testing platforms has brought us the body and organ-on-a-chip technologies, which show some potential for the acceleration of bio and nanomaterials discovery and development. Sign up and join us for the online conference and workshop on this topic to learn about the advantages and limitations of the available models and platforms for testing of bio and nanomaterials.